Hello friends, welcome to Chella's Katuner. In this short video, we'll learn about 5S. When it is a very basic and everybody when we enter into the industry, first word what we learn is 5S. So this video will be learning for our fresh people and others. We can refresh our knowledge through this video. So 5S is a terminology and it's tool of self-discipline and just in time. And Osada and Hirano from Japan, they developed this 5S concept. It's basically a tool of lean and visual controls. Why 5S is so important? Because it improves the efficiency and it creates a self-disciplined way of working and it increases the employee satisfaction and it reduces the cost because it eliminates the waste of time of employee and other people. And finally, it creates the safer environment for working. So now let us learn 5S. So it can be applied in the industry, industry shop floor or in the office or even in the home. So first is SEIRI, that is means sort out. So in the workplace or in any areas, to avoid the confusions, first of all, we need to sort out. That means removing unwanted things from the area. It can be an office or in the shop floor or in the home also. So wherever we work or do any work, any activities, so that areas we need to remove unwanted things from that area. That talks about first. And second is SEITON. This means systematic arrangement. So it talks about everything has a place and everything should be in its place. So each and every tool, ornaments or parts or in particular items should have a place and it should be in the place. That is what SEITON talks about. And SEISO, it means sign. So it talks about cleaning the things, cleaning the equipment, cleaning the place, cleaning the environment. So it means clean and keep sign all the equipment and the area. Fourth is seiketsu, that means standardization. So updating all the documents, standards and standard operating procedures. That means we have to create a visual factories even in the home, even in the office or in the industry. That means the visual directions and visual identification should clarify the person what should be followed, what should not be followed. You can see the image over here. So it clearly talks about the area to be for walking and area to be kept the things. So it is completely standardized the activities. So whatever improvements we have done through first test, second test, so the seiketsu will help to standardize the things. It creates a visual clarity on the activities to be followed. And fifth and last is SHITSUKE. This means we have to sustain all the improvements whatever we have done. So till now 1 to 4S, whatever the activities we have done, we have to adhere and sustain in day-to-day life. So for that we should have a regular audits or regular reviews or regular self audits, self checklist filling or layered audits or appreciation program. So these all are training for the new employees about 5 years and the rules to be followed in each and every area. So these all put together, it motivates and it ensures the employee should follow all the 4S improvements done in the each and every area. So for fifth is SHITSUKE and it talks about sustaining the improvements and activities done till now. Friends, hope you got basic about 5S. It is a very basic and everybody knows in the industry, but we should follow in day-to-day life. It will give a more beneficial to everyone in the official as well as personal life. So hope you enjoyed this video and please like and comment, and if you have any other specific point or inputs, please mention in the comments. Thanks for watching.